ഒരു സിനിമ സംവിധാനം ചെയ്യാൻ അദ്ദേഹം ഒരു സ്കൂളിൽ പോയിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നില്ല. അദ്ദേഹം കഴിഞ്ഞ വർഷങ്ങളോളം അഭിനയിച്ച സിനിമകളിൽ നിന്നുള്ള പാഠങ്ങൾ ഉൾക്കൊണ്ട് സംവിധാനം ചെയ്ത സിനിമയായിരുന്നു ലൂസിഫർ. നമ്മളത് കണ്ടതാണ്. പിന്നെ പിറന്നത് ചരിത്രമാണ്. ഇവിടെ വീണ്ടും അദ്ദേഹം ഈ തിരക്കുകൾക്കിടയിൽ നിന്ന് സംവിധാന മേലങ്കി അണിഞ്ഞ് നിങ്ങളുടെ മുന്നിൽ എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. It's time, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, put your hands together to welcome the actor, the director, the producer, the one and only Prithviraj Sukumaran to the dais, to L2E Emburan.
നമസ്കാരം. ഈ സെഗ്മെന്റിൽ എന്നെ ഏൽപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന കർത്തവ്യം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ സിനിമയുടെ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ ശക്തിയായ കോ പ്രൊഡ്യൂസറായ ലൈക്ക പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻസ് സുഭാസ്കരൻ സാറിനെ മലയാള സിനിമയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അദ്ദേഹത്തിനെ വെൽക്കം ചെയ്യുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ്. സോ ഐ ഹാവ് ബീൻ അസൈൻഡ് ദ ടാസ്ക് ഓഫ് വെൽക്കമിംഗ് ലൈക്ക പ്രൊഡക്ഷൻസ് ഇൻ ടു മലയാളം സിനിമ. ദിസ് obviously is a first ever project in Malayalam. It's a bit of an anecdote because I think now it's safe to say that Subhaskaran sir first actually reached out to me by giving me an opportunity to do a film for Laika Productions starring Rajinikanth sir. So the opportunity was so good for a new director like me that I actually tried my best to see if I can come up with something. They obviously had a timeline in place. Subhaskaran sir wanted the project to happen within a particular timeline. And I could not. Since I'm only a part-time director, I could not come up with a subject for Rajini sir. And that did not happen. But what did happen was the start of a friendship. That whenever I traveled to London, I always made it a point that we would meet. He made Supriya and me feel like family. I've been to his house, I've met his family. And through these casual meetings, we started speaking about our dreams of cinema and what we aspire to do in cinema. And I realized that Subhaskaran sir is fiercely passionate and actually extremely ambitious about Laika Productions. And in the due course of those conversations, two things happened. One, Laika Productions wanted me to do a film for them as an actor. A really big, ambitious project that I hope will happen someday. And Tamil Kumaran sir knows about this. So I said yes because it was such an ambitious film and I had read the entire script and I really loved what the film was on paper. And I immediately said yes to it. In the meanwhile, Subhaskaran sir asked me, okay, so you've just said that you can't direct a film for us, for Rajini sir. I said, no, sir, I didn't say I can't. I'm unfortunately not able to. What are you directing next? He asked me. And I told him I'm doing the sequel to Lucifer. And that is a big dream that I've been harboring ever since the release of Lucifer. And that's what I'm going to do next. And casually he asked me, what is the film about? I've seen Lucifer. So I just gave him a rough outline of what the film is about. And I remember this question very clearly. Subhaskaran sir asked me this question, which was, how can I be part of this dream of yours? And it took me back because I wasn't expecting this question. And it all started from that question. And thank you, sir. You're not here today. You promised to come. If you're watching this from London, I will be expecting you for the next event that we are having for Emburan. But thank you so much for believing in me, for believing in my team, for joining hands with Ashirwad Cinemas. And of course, without you, this dream would not have been possible. Subhaskaran sir and Laika Productions have been the driving force behind Ashirwad Cinemas mounting such a film in Malayalam. I don't know if this is any longer a Malayalam film because even when you see the film, you'll realize that there are so many locations and so many languages within the film that I don't know if it's a film from Malayalam for sure. It's a film that is made from Malayalam industry. So thank you for joining hands on this dream. And like I said, I know how passionate you are, how passionate Laika is, how passionate the entire team is about cinema and what you want to do. And I hope this is a beginning of a glorious chapter in the Malayalam industry. I'm really hoping that we get to collaborate again. And 6th of February, Vidamuyirchi is... Magar sir was supposed to come. Did he? Sir, hi. I'm so sorry. I didn't see you. Magar sir is here. He's the director of Vidamuyirchi, which is releasing on the 6th of February. Starring Ajit sir, I don't know if you have seen the trailer. I have. It's one of the finest trailers that I've seen in recent Tamil cinema. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. I'm really looking forward to the film. All the best for Vida Moirchi, and I hope Vida Moirchi is a smashing success, and I hope Empran is an even bigger success. So, yeah, like I said, let this be the beginning of a glorious chapter in Malayalam cinema for Laika Productions, and I'm really looking forward to how this journey goes on from here. So, officially, welcome to Malayalam cinema, Subhaskaran sir and Laika Productions. Thank you for giving us the wings to be able to do this. Thank you.